Assalamu alaikum students. This is Bushra Khan going to present you biology lecture, and this lecture is from chapter 4 cells and tissues, and topic of our lecture is relationship between cell function and cell structure. First of all, we discuss that the bodies of animals and plants are made of different types of cells, and each type perform specific function. Means each type of cell has its own function, and all our functions are coordinated functions. Means they are interrelated and became the life processes of an organism, that without these functions and life of any organism cannot be processed. First of all, cell of one type may differ from those of one types in the following respects. Cell shape and cell size. On the basis of this, we see different types of cells and what are they doing in our body, means their role of presence. First of all, red blood cells are round to accommodate globular hemoglobin. In our blood, a red pigment is present that is called hemoglobin. Now, what red blood cells do? They are round to accommodate globular hemoglobin. Accommodate means adjust. Then we have nerve cells. Nerve cells or neurons that are related to our nervous system are long for the transmission of nerve impulse, means they transmit messages or signals throughout the body. Nerve impulses are actually signals that are transmitted throughout the body from brain to the body parts. Then we have xylem cells. Xylem cells are present in plant cells, and they are called transport tissues, are actually tube-like and have thick walls for the conduction of water and support of plant. Then we have surface area to volume ratio. According to this point, we have root hair cells. These cells are present in roots and they have large surface area for the maximum absorption of water and salts which are required by plants for their development and growth and nutrition. Then we have presence of organelles. Cells involved in making secretions have more complex ER, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus. Cells involved in photosynthesis have chloroplast, means those cells which are involved in photosynthesis for food making of plants, they have chloroplast which contain green pigment and helps in the production of C6H12O6 that are actually food of plants named as glucose. Then we have roles of different cells in our body. First one is nerve cells. Actually, what they done, I have already told you, they send signals or conduct nerve impulses and thus contribute in the coordination in body, coordination of body parts to brain and other organs. Then we have muscle cells. Muscle cells undergo contraction and share their role in movements in body contraction as well as relaxation. Then we have red blood cells. You know already, red blood cells are very important in blood. They carry oxygen, and white blood cells kill foreign agents that are harmful agents, so contribute in the role of blood in transportation and defense. Defense, in a sense, our immunity. White blood cells strongs our immunity level against different diseases, and red blood cells carry oxygen in different body parts. Then we have skin cells. Some skin cells act as physical barriers against foreign materials, and some as receptors for temperature, touch, and pain. Means they act as osmoregulation. They allow certain materials to pass through the skin which are useful, and they prevent from those materials that are harmful for our skin. Skin cells of bone deposit calcium in their extracellular spaces to make the bone tough and thus contribute to the supporting roles of the bone. In our cells of bone, deposition of calcium occurs, which are later on used for supporting different roles of bones. Then we have another subtopic, cell as an open system. Cell takes in substances needed for its metabolic activities through its cell membrane. Means they act as semi-permeable membrane. They allow certain material which are required for cells. Products and byproducts are formed in metabolism. Cells either utilize the products that are useful for cells and byproducts that are either stored or laterally excreted out of the cells. Mean there are certain materials which they allow to pass through in, and certain materials they temporarily stored which they excreted out, or sometimes they use laterally. Thank you.